Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to do some exercises, yoga poses for knee pain relief. Now knee pain is very nagging and it affects your quality of life, so it affects a lot of activities. You cannot go for running, jogging, even a lot of yoga poses, when you do it, it affects your knee and it starts knee pain. But if we do that poses properly with proper alignment and using correct group of muscles, you won't feel that knee pain. So today in this video we will do few loosening exercises which will help you to relieve the knee pain, and then strengthening exercises. Then why we need to do strengthening exercises is because your thighs, your quads, your hamstring and your calf muscles are the muscles which supports your knee. So if these muscles are weak, obviously it puts pressure, and the other way around, when you have knee pain, you tend to put a lot of weight on your knee and don't use these muscles. So we will train ourselves and try to strengthen those muscles. So let's start with loosening. So first, stretch your legs. Okay, it's a simple ankle stretch. At the same time we are stretching these muscles around knee. So inhale, stretch your toes out, exhale in, inhale, stretch, exhale in. Now you can go about 5 to 10 rounds, and when you do this last round, just stretch your toes, pull up your kneecap, press your knees down and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Now next one is kneecap tightening. So it's like you tighten your kneecap, pull up your quadricep muscles. Okay, you feel that engagement of these muscles, you feel that your knees are pressing down, and exhale, relax. So do it combined with breathing. Inhale, tighten your knees, exhale, relax, inhale, tighten, exhale, relax. And this is a very effective exercise for knee pain. Helps to strengthen your muscles as well as relieve your knee pain. Okay, again you can go for 10 rounds. You start, if you're just started, you start from 10 count to 15, and you can go up to 30-40 rounds of kneecap tightening. So you're just sitting watching TV, just sitting on the sofa, you can simply do this exercise. Okay, now last one, you can hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now just bend your left knee, hold your left knee with your both palms. Now as you inhale, just go for rotation, but make sure that you are not bending your knee more than 90 degrees. Okay, just keep it here, and knee rotation 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, come to center now from right. Okay, now so inhale and exhale, just normal breathing, and keep going for the rotation 4 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if you have acute knee pain and even this movement rotation leads you to pain, you just stop, relax. Once you feel the inflammation is reduced, then you can do these practices. Now next one, hold, and as you inhale, straighten your knee, you can point your toes in. Exhale, you can bend, again don't bend more than 90, just bend your knee. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and last round, inhale and hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now next one, from right, inhale and exhale 3, 4 and 5, hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now next we will use, I'm using the thin mat, but you can use a blanket. You can roll a blanket or a towel and keep it under your knee joint. Okay. Now here, just bring your palms down, and as you exhale, press your knees on the mat. You can point your toes in. Exhale, relax. Inhale, press. Exhale, relax. Inhale, press. Exhale, relax. Inhale, press and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. This is again a very effective stretch or exercise for knee pain. Now, generally standing poses are not recommended, or the poses which puts a lot of pressure on knees are not recommended, but the poses what we are going to do now helps to strengthen quadricep muscles and hamstring. So we can still do it with proper care. Okay, so first we are going to just go for a high lunge. So here, turn, square your hip on your right, bend your right knee. Now stretch your arms, keep your left knee straight, exhale, come down as much as you can. Now make sure your knee, the front knee, is not leaning in or out. Okay, it should be center always and pointing to the second toe. So that can be the alignment. You can keep it in mind, and knee should never bend beyond your ankle. Okay, it should always over the knee, over the ankle, 90 degrees or behind. Okay, so let's go. So inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale and exhale down and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center and on your left and turn. So again, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now as you are doing this pose, any point of time if you feel pain, just stop. Now next one is warrior 2 pose. So here, feet apart and turn your right foot towards your right. Now we are just focusing on the quads muscles here. So here, bend your knee and just stay here and try to engage your quadricep muscles. Again, don't go beyond your ankle. Okay, and knee center. Then you stretch and hold. This really helps to strengthen your quadricep muscle. Now if you feel too much like burning sensation, pain in your knee, try to focus on your back leg, pressing outer edge of your left foot. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now again, if you have acute knee pain, just avoid this pose. And then on your left and hold. Again, one more tip, you can just try to lift your toes, the front foot. Again, helps to engage your quad muscles. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center and relax. Now you can come down, come on your back. Okay, so here, now we'll go for leg raising. Again, leg raising is one of the good poses for strengthening those, loosening and strengthening those muscles. So inhale and exhale. Try to keep your knee straight, engaging your quad muscles. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now last round, you can hold here for 5, point your toes in 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, Now inhale, hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. The next one is Setu Bandhasan, bridge pose. So again, knees 90-degree, knee and ankle, and press your palms and lift your hips higher. Okay, exhale down. You can go for 2 more rounds. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up and hold here. Hold 5, 4, try to squeeze your inner thighs, 3, 2 and 1. Now it is very good stretch for strengthening your quad muscles. So we can even use block here to engage our muscles properly. So use a block this way, press it, squeeze it in between your inner thighs, okay, and same way, squeeze and lift your hips up. It is a good way to strengthen your quad muscles. So inhale and exhale. Continue 2 more. Inhale and exhale, and last round. Inhale and hold normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Now we will do one more supine pose. So here, come on your stomach. Okay, so turn around and we are going to do Shalabhasana. So Shalabhasana again helps to strengthen muscles, helps to loosen up your knees. Now you can bring your arms at this side of your thighs, keep your legs together, engage your quads, your hamstring, your quad muscles, your thighs, and lift your, inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale down, press your left knee down, lift your right leg up. Inhale, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale. And last round, inhale and hold 5, 4, point the toes out, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, last to the right side. Inhale and hold normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Relax, and now whenever you're ready, come to sitting position. Okay, so these are simple loosening and strengthening exercise. So you can do it whenever you don't have inflammation, no pain, try to do it. Now during the practice, again, word of caution, if you get any pain, sharp pain, just stay, don't, just stop the practice, don't go ahead, don't do it. Okay, and if you have again knee pain, just try to do cold packs, but for sure don't just leave it as it is. You need to work on strengthening your muscles. If your knees are healthy, you can do a lot of things in a better way. Okay, otherwise your life will get restricted to few movements. So I hope you continue to practice with this video and look good, feel good, be healthy and happy. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.